Welcome to the Porphis Support Center. In this video, we're going to walk you through replacing the air valve packing nut on the 81 series spray gun. Rotate counterclockwise to remove the fluid adjustment knob. Take out the fluid needle spring, pull out the fluid needle, use flat nose pliers to remove the circlip on the trigger pin with hole. Watch out so it doesn't fly off. Remove the trigger pin with hole. Use flat nose pliers to remove the circlip on the standard trigger pin. Remove the trigger pin. Take off the trigger. Pull out the air valve needle. Unscrew the air valve packing nut counterclockwise using the hex key. Screw in the new air valve packing nut clockwise. Once you feel resistance, tighten it by another 1/4 turn. Reinstall the air valve needle. Put the trigger back, aligning its pinhole with the hole on the gun body. Reinsert the trigger pin. Use flat nose pliers to install the upper circlip, making sure it snaps fully into place. Reinstall the trigger pin with hole. Put back the fluid needle. Use flat nose pliers to install the lower circlip. Put back the spring and the knob. Gently pull the trigger. If it moves smoothly, you're all set.